Hello, we are here at Trotec with Sigrid and Krist. Could you please introduce yourself and your company?
With pleasure. I'm Sigrid, CEO of Trotec, and Trotec is an industrial scale project against food waste and food losses.
I'm Krist, working as an operation manager at Trotec, and exactly so we are transforming the food products of the industrial food industries, and we're making new products in a circular way for new types of industries.
So Trotec is really a circular pioneer. Could you elaborate a bit more, Sigrid, on the background story?
Pioneer is a word that we use a lot. My father, he started the activity almost 50 years ago. And it was more by accident that a chips producing company here in Veurne asked him if he could not find a better solution for the packed chips that they throw away as waste. And my father, pioneer, engineer, and he hates food waste and losses, was thinking, okay, first of all, I have to find a way to unpack the product, and then I have to find a kind of application for this unpacked products. And this is how everything started. So unpacking and then looking for another application for the products that are not used anymore for human consumption. And he finds a way in making animal feed out of it.
And since you have been doing it already for such a long time, do you see that there is like a shift in mindset?
We see a very big shift in the mindset, and it's making us very happy. We are finally away from the perception of waste, and we enter in the world of circular economy, of making new circular ingredients. So a big evolution and a very good evolution.
You are also a very innovative company, spending about 20% of your revenue on R&D and innovation. Mm-hmm. What is your approach to innovation, and how do you see working with other partners, universities?
I think we must be innovative because the byproducts are also changing every day. I think a very important topic is that we work with byproducts. Nobody produces for us, but the byproducts come free. So one topic, a very important topic one, is the conservation of the product. As it is a biomass is biodegradable, so that means that you have to store it in one or another way, and that was exactly the same problem that father of Sigrid had 50 years ago. Okay, how can we store this product? When I look now to the EffSep project, this is also a difficulty. So we have different kind of products, but how do we store them before we can start to extract the proteins, the starch, the fats, so very valuable components that are inside, but how do you store them?
And so this is also the reason why you became a member of the advisory board, the industry advisory board of the EffSep project. Could you please also elaborate a bit then on what you got out of the project?
So for us, it's not something that we are a recycling company, so it means that we take the knowledge that we have actually in-house, and we are always looking at new knowledge that is coming out. So now we are making a product for the feed compound industry. Maybe by separating them, by efficiently separating them, we can take out certain molecules that can be interesting in other ways or in other industry. We are thinking about pet food, we are thinking about new technologies, new opportunities. So this is why we follow these kind of projects.
So it's a bit getting a view of what is moving in the market in terms of byproduct, side stream valorization, to see what are the new innovations, but then also from your perspective, where lies the business opportunity?
Exactly, linking also what's in the project toward what exists in the market. Where do we see openings? What kind of products we know that are not valorized until now, and how can we make a link with what is tested and tried there and applied in the industry? This is for us a very important one.
Perfect. I would just say, how and when do we start?
We started already together, Nathan.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.